Day 19, Error Handling and Exceptions. Objective: by the end of this session, students will understand how to handle errors and exceptions in Python, how to use try, except, and finally blocks, and how to raise and handle custom exceptions. 1. Understanding exceptions, 15 minutes. What are exceptions? Exceptions are errors that occur during the execution of a program. They interrupt the normal flow of the program and can cause it to stop unless handled. Common exceptions: zero division error occurs when you try to divide a number by zero. Type error occurs when an operation is performed on an inappropriate type. Value error occurs when a function receives an argument of the correct type but an inappropriate value. Example: Python print 10.0 raises zero division error. 2. Using try, except, and finally 20 minutes. The try except block. Syntax: Python try, code that might raise an exception except exception type, code that runs if the exception occurs. Example: Python try print except zero division error, print you can't divide by zero. Explanation: in this example, the try block contains code that might raise an exception. If a zero division error occurs, the except block runs, printing a custom error message. The finally block. The finally block is executed no matter what, whether an exception occurs or not. Example: Python try print 10/2 except zero division error, print you can't divide by zero. Finally, print this runs no matter what. Practice Simple Lab. Write a function divide AB that takes two numbers and returns their division. Use try, except, chat, and finally to handle any errors and return an appropriate message. Example: Python def divide AB. Try result equals A will B except zero division error. Return error division by zero. Finally, print division operation completed. Return result print divide 10.2. Output 5.0 print divide 10.0. Output error division by zero. 3. Raising and handling custom exceptions, 25 minutes. Raising exceptions. Use the raise statement to trigger an exception. Example: Python def check age. If age 18, raise value age must be 18 or older. Return access granted. Creating custom exceptions. Define a custom exception class by subclassing exception. Example: Python class negative number error exception. Pass def square root x. If x0, raise negative number error, cannot take square root of a negative number. Return 0.5. Practice Simple Lab. Task: write a function withdraw amount balance that raises a value error if the amount is greater than the balance. Create a custom exception insufficient funds error and raise it if the balance is too low. Example: Python class insufficient funds error exception. Pass def withdraw amount balance. If amount at balance, raise insufficient funds error, insufficient funds, return balance. Amount try. Print withdraw 5030, accept insufficient funds error as E, print E. Output